Some creatures on Earth look so unreal, they feel like they belong in a dream rather than the ocean. Hidden beneath the waves are animals so rare and strange that most people never know they exist. Today, we're exploring 5 ocean creatures that don't feel real, but are very much alive. 1. We have the dumbo octopus. Deep in the dark ocean lives a creature that looks surprisingly gentle. The dumbo octopus gets its name from the ear-like fins on its head, which resemble the character Dumbo. These fins allow it to glide gracefully through the deep sea, where sunlight never reaches. Unlike other octopuses, it doesn't squirt ink or change color dramatically. Instead, it floats calmly, feeding on small crustaceans along the ocean floor. On one of the harshest environments on Earth, the dumbo octopus survives with quiet elegance. 2. We got the glass squid. The glass squid is nearly invisible. It's transparent. Body allows it to disappear completely in the open ocean, avoiding predators with ease. Only its eyes and internal organs can be seen, floating like shadows in the water. This incredible adaptation helps it survive in a place with nowhere to hide. When threatened, the glass squid can release bioluminescent light, confusing predators long enough to escape. In the darkness of the deep sea, invisibility is the ultimate defense. 3. Blue dragon sea slug. The blue dragon sea slug may be small, but it is one of the most striking creatures in the ocean, floating upside down near the surface. Its bright blue colors serve as a warning to predators. This tiny animal feeds on venomous jellyfish and stores their stinging cells in its own body. Even though it looks delicate, touching a blue dragon can be extremely painful. Drifting across the ocean like a living jewel, the blue dragon proves that size doesn't determine power. Last but not least, we have the leafy sea dragon. The leafy sea dragon looks less like an animal and more like a drifting piece of underwater art, native to the waters of southern Australia. This creature is covered in leaf-like extensions that help it blend perfectly with seaweed. These delicate shapes aren't used for swimming. Instead, they act as camouflage, making the sea dragon almost invisible to predators. Unlike most fish, the leafy sea dragon moves slowly, relying on stealth rather than speed to survive. Even more fascinating, it's the male that carries the eggs, protecting them until they hatch. In the quiet movement of the ocean, the leafy sea dragon drifts like a living illusion. The ocean is filled with life that feels more like imagination than reality, and these creatures are only a small glimpse of what still remains hidden beneath the waves. If rare and mysterious animals fascinate you, there's much more waiting to be discovered. If you watched this video to the end, congratulations. You're not just scrolling. You're learning, growing, and evolving every single day. Curiosity is powerful. Subscribe for more rare, fascinating discoveries from our world. There's so much more waiting to be explored.